Good evening. My name is Carrie Williams. I am the Deputy Monitoring Officer for Conway County Borough Council. I would like to welcome you all to this meeting of the General Licensing Committee, which is a multi-location meeting. In addition to committee members, we also have non-committee members, cabinet members, officers and members of the public who may join. The meeting will be live streamed and recorded and will be available for viewing after the meeting. Should the live stream fail, the meeting will continue and a recording will be available through the Council's website following the conclusion of the meeting. Can I remind members that translation facilities are available? If you are in the Council chamber and want to make use of this facility, please select the English language option on the microphone delegate unit in front of you. And for those attending remotely, please click on the audio settings tab and select English. For those wishing to speak in the chamber, please indicate by raising your hand and turn on your microphone when it is your turn to speak. In order for those online to be able to always hear the translation, for those remote attendees wishing to speak, please use the yellow hand function. When I call your name to speak, at that point, please press the push to speak button. If you have a point of order, just press the push to speak button. For those attending remotely, please note that those in the chamber will be unable to use the chat facility. Remote attendees, if you do need to leave the meeting temporarily, please put a message in the chat function so the Democratic Services Officer is aware and can then let us know when you return. When we open up the debate to members, committee members will be asked to speak and put their questions first, followed by non-committee members and or cabinet members. Moving on to the agenda. Item 1 is election of the chair. Can I seek a proposer, please? Councillor Andrew.
I've enjoyed working with Councillor John Roberts, and I'd like to put forward Councillor John as the chairman to continue, please.
Thank you. Are there any other proposals? Can I have a seconder for the proposal, please? Councillor Harry. Okay, thank you. We're going to vote electronically. If I can just ask if we can open the vote, please. Thank you. Has everybody voted? Okay. Close the vote, please. Thank you. Can I ask Councillor John to come and join us? Congratulations, Councillor John. You're appointed as chair.
Well, thank you very much, everybody, for putting your faith in me again, just for the next 12 months. And Kerry, can I say thank you very much to you? You did that beautifully, far better than I do at the beginning. Thank you very much. Now then, on with the agenda. We need to appoint a vice chair. So therefore, do we have any proposals, please? I'd like to put forward, if I may. Councillor Andrew Wood has been my vice chairman for the last 4 years, and I'm sure he's got another 12 months with me as well. So I propose Andrew. Councillor Sam Cotton, do you want to come in? Sorry, Samantha.
Happy to second that.
Thank you very much. So we have a proposer and a seconder. Any other nominations? No. Can we go to the vote, please? Electronically again. Do I vote as well? Do we? Here. There you go. Yes, now it's closed. Therefore, can we have the results? And that's fine. So thank you very much. And congratulations, Andrew. That was unanimous. Thank you.
And thank you to everybody in the committee. Thank you.
Right, for the business of the evening, we'll carry on. Have we got any apologies for absence, please?
No apologies, Chair.
Okay. Declarations of interest. The Code of Local Government's conduct. Members are reminded that they must declare the existence and nature of their declared personal interest. So, have we got any, please? None. Urgent matters. Notice of items in the opinion of the chairman should be considered at the meeting as a matter of urgency pursuant to section 100 BA 6B of the Local Government Act 1972. I'm not aware of any urgent matters. Thank you. 6. To approve and sign as a correct record the minutes of the previous meeting, and these are to be found on page 3, 4, we'll just go through them for accuracy, and 5 of your pack. Could I have a proposal, please? Thank you, Councillor Jeff. A seconder? Councillor Harry, thank you very much. And could we show of hands? With a show of hands, please. Thank you. Let's go, yeah. All right. Chairman's announcements. I haven't got any announcements. Apart from what I did at the beginning. So we'll go on to point 8. To consider reports by the Head of Neighbourhood Services on the following matters. Determination of a private hire vehicle licence, new application, pages 6 to 10 on your pack. And this will be introduced by Mr. John Donnelly, Principal Trading Standards and Licensing Officer. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Chair. The determination is for members with regard to an application regarding a private hire vehicle submitted by Barry Dimelo, Linan Limited for a Skoda Octavia registered in 2020. Officers were unable to grant the application on the grounds that the proposed vehicle does not meet Conway County Borough Council's private hire conditions, where all vehicles must be under the age of 5 years on the date of first registration and on subsequent licence be accepted in good mechanical, interior and exterior conditions. Members may grant the application or refuse the application. Mr. Dimelo is here and is willing to answer any questions from members and put his case forward. The vehicle isn't available, but members do have information within the pack so they can make a judgment on the vehicle itself. The vehicle operates as a private hire vehicle PV0069 from November 2023 until the licence was revoked on the 14th of the 3rd, 2026. The vehicle licence was suspended on the grounds of public safety on the 12th of the 11th, 25 for a cracked rear light. The notice was also deferred for body condition. The rear light was repaired within the suspension period, with the notice for body condition extended for a further month from the 11th of the 12th, 25. Officers followed up the deferred notice on the 14th of the 1st, 26, and were advised that the vehicle had been involved in a crash. The suspension notice expired on the 14th of the 3rd, 2026, with the vehicle licence being automatically revoked in accordance with Section 68 of the Local Government Miscellaneous Provisions Act. The licence holder being advised of his right to appeal of that revocation to the magistrate. The licence holder also failed to report the incident contrary to Section 20 of Conway's Private Hire Operators and Vehicle Policy. The new application for the vehicle was made on the 22nd of the 4th, 2026. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Donnelly. Mr. Dimelo, you're here. The members would like to ask you a few questions, I'm sure. And then if you have a statement at the end, then you can come in then. Okay? Thank you. Members, I'll open the debate. Any questions? Yes, I see Councillor Brockley has got his hand up.
Thank you, Chair. Can you hear me?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'd like to ask, is there a reason why it wasn't reported of the operator at the time of the accident, or I believe it was within 72 hours of the incident?
Yeah, I didn't believe it needed to be reported because there was no other vehicle in the incident. The driver clipped a wall.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you. Any other questions? Have I got, yeah, Councillor Wood. We can't hear you, Andrew.
Yeah, yes, right. No,
Yes, that's fine.
Can you hear me now? Fine. Mr. Noel, how long have you been an operator of taxis? And you've obviously been with Conway for a fair few years. Is that right?
Well, it was my mum before me, so I don't know, I've been like 20 years now with Lynn as well.
So presumably you're very au fait with the actual with the rules and regulations which we operate and also the amendments we do from that time to time, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have we any other questions? Okay. Before we go to any votes or anything, I think Mr. Dimlow would like to make a statement now.
I'd just like to say that I did have the vehicle into the body repair shop waiting, but circumstances meant it didn't get completed in the time. I did send an email, I think it was on the 12th, but the officer was on leave, I think, or something.
Thank you. Well, we now come to the vote or to a recommendation. Sorry, Councillor Wood, I missed you. You can come in.
Thank you, Chair. Just a quick question to the officers. I presume we've not departed from our normal procedure on this type of licence application, or is there not made special examples before, have we?
Procedures followed as per the legislation and policy.
Thank you, John. Thank you, John Rodway. Thank you.
Right. Well, the recommendations are on page 6, and members may grant the application or refuse the application. So have we any proposals, please? Councillor Wood.
To refuse in this case.
And have we a seconder for that proposal? Sorry, yes, Councillor Jeff.
Happy to second it, Chair.
Thank you. Are there any other proposals? There are not, so we'll vote on the proposal in hand, which is to refuse the application. And how do we vote on this? Electronically? We electronically vote on this, please. So could you open the vote, please, Sally? And close the vote. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in favour of the proposal and 1 abstention. So I'm very sorry, Mr. Dimlow, your application is refused.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. And that concludes the item. The next item has been withdrawn. So therefore there will not be any debate on that. So thank you very much for your attendance and thank you for, again, for putting your faith in me for another 12 months. Diolch.